young, we stick to our guns. We love who we love and we wanna have fun. Yeah, we cuss on them Mondays and pray on them Sundays. Pass it around and we dream about one day. 'Cause this is how we roll.
It's got to be an intimidating sight to stand across from the world's largest athlete.
Well, look at him. He stands 7 feet tall, 400-plus pounds, and he has a right hand that can knock your head off at any given time. I'd say that's pretty intimidating. Here comes Ryback. Oh, come on now. That was just uncalled for. That hand had a lot of force behind it. One step ahead on that one. He's really using his weight to his advantage here.
Good job getting to the ropes there.
Oh, man!
And he collapses down to the canvas.
Oh, what a shot!
And I think he's begging him to bring it.
So quick, he just needs to get that motor going and start flying around the ring.
Ryback scores with a tremendous move.
Ryback sees the opportunity. Look out. Uh-oh. What's this? Big Show is in all kinds of trouble. Oh, my, what a jawbreaker.
Nice reversal from the Big Show.
Yeah, man, it's crazy to see a big guy move like that.
A counter by Ryback.
Yeah, Ryback's proving he's more than just muscle. Man, that one rocked him. And you can hear the fans willing him onward. No, not again. Oh, my, look at this. The intensity. Yeah, what a move. Look out.
Oh, resounding move by Ryback.
Can he score the pin? 2, 3.
All good things must come to an end. But I wish that match could have gone on a little longer.
Here is your winner, and still the Intercontinental Champion, Ryback.
There should be no doubt in anyone's mind that he is the true and deserving champion.
Absolutely. What an incredible match.